Today I'm going to be talking about Pinecrest Pride Points, which is PPP, and we have implemented some new rules. The first rule is follow the Pinecrest Student Council Instagram, and the second rule ties in with this. Make sure we follow you back, and if we haven't followed you back, make sure you directly message us about this. And this is so we can keep track of your points. It's hard for us to be able to keep track of private accounts if we aren't following you and you aren't following us. But also make sure that you tag us in all of your posts so we can keep track of your points, and make sure you have loads and loads of fun of your posts. Make sure you have lots of fun with them. Alright, next, some points. We have changed the numbers. Your story is 5 points, your feed is 10 points, but Rep Your School Day and Student Drivers Magnets have been bumped up quite a lot. Rep Your School Day is now 50 points, which is awesome. And then the Student Driver Magnet is 75 points, although that is still a one-time thing. And the next thing I'm going to be talking about regarding PPP are the prizes, which haven't changed at all. 100 is 5 stickers for your hydro, your broom, whatever, just stickers. And then 200 is a lanyard, 300 is a $5 gift card, 400 is a customized t-shirt. These are shown below for your different classes. You can order them for your class. And then the 500 is a $20 gift card, and the 600 is a customized hoodie as demonstrated down below. These prizes are so cool, and the shirts are amazing. Alright, and thank you for listening. See you later.